My child, I saw every tear they caused you. I know the pain you try to hide behind your smile. I know how deeply their words wounded your heart. I know how badly you wanted to be loved, understood, and respected. But instead, you were betrayed, ignored, and broken by the very people you trusted most. So listen to me carefully today. The people who hurt you will soon regret it, not because I desire revenge, but because one day they will finally realize the value of the soul they mistreated. My child, there were nights when you cried silently, asking me, God, why were they so cruel to me? You gave your loyalty, your kindness, your love, your patience, yet many repaid you with disrespect and pain. Some abandoned you when you needed them most. Some judged you without understanding your battles. Some smiled in front of you while secretly working against you. And there were moments when you questioned your own worth because of the way they treated you. But hear me clearly. Their actions never defined your value. Just because someone failed to appreciate your heart does not mean your heart was worthless. You were never difficult to love. You were simply surrounded by people who did not understand your worth. My child, I protected you in ways you never noticed. There were relationships I removed because they were slowly destroying your peace. There were doors I closed because danger was hiding behind them. There were people I separated from your life because they would have damaged your future. You cried over those losses, but heaven called it protection. Sometimes the greatest blessing is not what enters your life, but what I remove from it. I know rejection hurts. I know betrayal leaves scars. I know what it feels like. When people speak badly about you, misunderstand your intentions, or walk away without explanation. But do not allow bitterness to grow inside your heart. The enemy wants your pain to turn into hatred. He wants you to become cold, angry, and emotionally destroyed. Do not give him that victory. You are different. You were created to carry light, even in dark places. And yes, I know there are moments when you want justice immediately, moments when you want people to feel the same pain they caused you. But trust me with that burden. You do not need to destroy anyone to prove your value. I am already handling what you cannot see. The truth always reveals itself in time. Those who mocked your kindness will one day search for the peace you carried. Those who ignored your loyalty will one day realize how rare it truly was. Those who walked away from your life will one day understand that they lost someone genuine, and by then, you will no longer be begging for their attention, because I am leading you toward a higher purpose. My child, stop chasing people who keep hurting you. Stop trying to force love from hearts that were never prepared to value you. You cannot heal by remaining attached to the source of your pain. Some people entered your life only to teach you lessons. Not everyone assigned to your journey is assigned to stay forever. And that is okay. You must stop blaming yourself for the way others treated you. Some people hurt others because they are wounded themselves. Some carry jealousy, some carry pride, some carry darkness inside their hearts. But none of that changes who you are. You are still chosen, still loved, still valuable. My child, one of the hardest battles you face is learning not to let pain change your character. Because after betrayal, you become afraid to trust again. After heartbreak, you become afraid to love again. After disappointment, you become afraid to hope again. But I did not create you to live guarded forever. I created you to heal. I created you to rise again. I created you to discover that your future is greater than your past. Do not allow temporary pain to convince you that your life is ruined. This season is not your ending. It is your transformation. I am strengthening you emotionally, mentally, spiritually. You are becoming wiser, stronger, more discerning. One day, you will look back and realize the people who hurt you accidentally pushed you closer to your destiny. Because pain changed your priorities. Pain taught you who truly cared. Pain forced you to depend on me instead of depending completely on people. And in your loneliness, you discovered my presence. My child, there are blessings coming into your life that will make the past make sense. I am sending people who will value your heart instead of abusing it. People who will speak life into your soul instead of draining your energy. People who will remain loyal even during difficult seasons. So do not lose hope in humanity because of a few painful experiences. Not everyone is sent to break you. Some people are sent to heal you. But first, you must let go of the past. You cannot hold onto old wounds while praying for new beginnings. Release the anger, release the bitterness, release the memories that still haunt your heart. Forgiveness does not mean pretending. The pain never happened. It means refusing to let the pain control your future. My child, the people who hurt you are not in control of your destiny. I am. No betrayal can cancel the plans I have for your life. No rejection can stop my purpose for you. No lie spoken against you can destroy the calling I placed over your soul. You are protected. Even when you feel vulnerable, you are guided. Even when you feel lost, and you are deeply loved. Even when people fail to show it, there will come a day when your peace becomes more important than winning arguments. A day when you stop explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. A day when you finally realize that your value was never dependent on human approval. That day is closer than you think. My child, some people regret hurting others only after they lose access to them. When your presence is gone, when your kindness is no longer available, when your prayers are no longer covering their life, they begin to understand what they took for granted. But by then, you will already be healing. You will already be growing. You will already be walking into the new life I prepared for you. So tonight, stop replaying painful memories inside your mind. Stop blaming yourself for what others chose to do. You cannot force people to love correctly, but you can choose to protect your peace. And remember this forever. The people who hurt you will one day remember your kindness. They will remember how patient you were, how loyal you were, how deeply you cared, and many of them will regret losing someone like you. But do not build your future around their regret. Build your future around my promises, because I am preparing something greater than what you lost. A stronger version of you is rising from this pain, a wiser version, a more peaceful version, a more faithful version. And one day, you will thank me for not allowing certain people to stay in your life forever. So, wipe your tears, my child. Lift your head again. This chapter hurt you, but it did not destroy you. I am still writing your story, and your best days are still ahead.